Hello again, Dave Nelson here. In this video, I'm going to break down what exactly is under the Listings tab on your Lofty CMS dashboard. If you haven't done so, please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content because sharing is for sure caring. All right, let's hop in. So if you don't remember, if you don't know how to get here, please watch video 1. So under Listings tab, now this is just going to be a lot of basic stuff, how to set things up for your website. So again, I mentioned this before, but this is where you're going to have your MLS. All right. If you're in a state that has multiple MLSs or for whatever it is, you can add more right here. It's pretty simple. You click on it, you search for the MLS, enter your membership info, and then you review the paperwork. So depending on which state you're in, there's a process, but this is where you add your MLS. And then this is where you can see where the status is. So once you do the integration request, I'm guessing most MLSs take some time to process it and go through with it. So you can see what's going down the process here. And of course, mine's active because I use it. Filters, I don't do a lot of dabbling with this one. I just have it so it shows up on the website itself. I want to see my listings first on the website, and then it's from my brokerage below that. Then after that, it's open up. So this is where you set up what you want to be seen first on your actual website. So I'm going to actually open up my website and show you exactly where that would be. So here's my website, and this is going to be right here. So however you want it set up. So right now, like I don't have any listings that are active right now. So it pulls up all the listings from our brokerage. So I'm with Real. So it pulls up all the Real. Okay. Why not support your brokerage? But you can have this however you want to. You can move it up or down. See, you can move that here. You can add criteria. If you want to do it, maybe just houses in a certain location. Maybe you're really geo-farming your area. Well, you can have just a location first, and that'll pull up all the listings based upon any brokerage. Okay, that's where you do that. Sold listings, it's exact same settings because whatever. I don't manually put in listings. So you can, but I always hate to say this, but you want to double check with your MLS if you're allowed to do that. I know some MLSs are restrictive that you can't publicly market properties that aren't through the MLS. So make sure you ask your broker for approval. And then the listing settings, basic stuff, schools, whatever, you pick whichever school data is provided. So the school data, when you look at it, it's going to be down here. This information right here. So depending on how you want it to look, there it is. This is actually pulled from Great Schools, which is a pretty common website. Oops. So here sorry about that, on listing, scroll down. This is where the school information is pulled right here. And this is done by Great Schools, like I mentioned. So then you're going to go to listing info settings. I would recommend you keep these on unless otherwise told not to. Location search bar. This is just what's on your search bar. Now, the more complicated you make your search bar, the more overwhelming it is for your buyers. So trying to keep it the basic information that you would want. The fuzzy search, I really don't know what that is, but I do the exact search. Listing tag, don't touch them. An open house, of course, you're going to want to show the open houses because open houses, as you know, are very inquisitive to buyers. So if you're hiding all your open houses, you're going to be losing on website engagement. So make sure you show all those. And whenever you do anything, make sure you click save. You hate for your work to be lost. All right, that's it for this one. This is your listings tab. In the next video, I'm going to touch base on the blog tab, which is one of my favorite features here. So there you go. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this content. Sharing is caring. And I'll see you next video.